Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I just picked up this 4x8 utility trailer. I needed a utility trailer for a while, so I've been looking online, picked it up for about $500. Something that's unique about it, it got all this nice tube frame on it, really solid. I mean, even though it's a small trailer, it's a pretty solid deal. These boards here are composite, so we'll just be switching those out. Rides on, I think, 12-inch rims. And then, it's just a lot of really neat things. You have the lights that are sealed inside, and this was a local company here in Washington that built this. I think it's an 03 model. From what the owners told me, they're one owner. So yeah, let's get started on this. Let's get started on this restoration project. I don't build trailers. I'm not a professional, but just a regular homeowner. Let's see what we can do to it. So first we primed it with Rust-Oleum primer. Then we use this Rust-Oleum high performance enamel with gray color. I was choosing between red or gray, but I think this gray color is so much better, and it turned out really, really good. Yeah. So now we're gonna go get some new tires. And yeah, let's keep on going. All right, so next I went down to Home Depot and I got the outdoor grade plywood. I just needed one 4x8 sheet, and I cut it down to fit the sides. And then I got stainless steel carriage bolts. I think they're 3/4 inch in length. And I used that to fasten them together. Also from Depot, I got Kills oil-based outdoor primer, and then I put that on the boards, both on the outside of the trailers, and I primered the inside of the trailer as well. Alright, after getting the sides on, we then just use the same spray paint, and we put on the first layer of our gray. And actually it's looking pretty light and dark. I mean, it's still drying, but in real life it's actually a little more. Next, one of the wheels was pretty bad, so I used a wire brush and with the grinder, and I grinded it down. Then I used the same spray paint primer as I did on the outside of the trailer, the Rust-Oleum product. And finally I used the high performance enamel in black color instead of gray or gloss black. I think it would contrast pretty well with the gray trailer. When we opened up the hubs, they were super dry. I mean, there was like no grease in there, and because of that, the bearings were destroyed. So I had to go down and get a new bearing kit as well as the hub assembly. And then I had a can of the high performance enamel red from when I was trying to choose which color I wanted to make the trailer, and I just kind of sprayed it down to stop some of the rust. Alright, so now we got the black wheels on. I also added the DOT, whatever, the reflective stickers. Makes it look kind of kiddish now on there. But yeah, it's starting to really come together. Here we went down to Harbor Freight, got the tongue jack. And then here's kind of the back side. So now we're kind of start focusing on the inside. I've just primered it, that's all I've done. The floorboards, let's work on that a little bit. And then here's the other side of it. So this trailer's really coming together. Hey guys, so I think we found a good stopping point for this video so it doesn't drag on forever. I started taking a wire brush and wire brushing this floor. I got it to a point where if I pressure wash it, it should take all the dirt out and shine right up. As far as this back plate, or this back board, it's not doing so good, but I think got another couple years out of it before I gotta swap it out. I went to Granger and actually got these little track pads, or the traction tape. So I put them on here too, because this kind of goes and drops to the floor, so hopefully it'll protect it for a little bit longer. And then I put it on the other side of the fender too, right there. But yeah, thanks guys for being on this journey with me. I think it's a good stopping point. For the second video, I'm a few weeks away, but I'm gonna order, I found actually, this trailer is a 4.5 by 8, and actually found a tarp kit for it, where you can, in like the big dump trailers where you see them, they're kind of mounted in the front and you can pull the tarp back. I think it'll be a good addition to this trailer. So when I get that ordered in, definitely make a second video, and that'll be a more kind of how to install it, and it'll have more footage. But as far as we sit now, I know some of you guys want kind of like a cost, how much I paid for things. So I'll give kind of a cost breakdown. So I went to Harbor Freights, got that guy there. It's about, I think, 20 bucks. I used one 4x8 marine grade, I think, plywood. Obviously I found a broken one. That's about half off, so it's about 30 bucks. New tires from Discount. I put radials instead of the normal trailer tires. Those were $49 each one. The hub, assembly, bearing, seals, all that put together, I think was around $150 after tax. I know I paid a little bit higher for it, but we got like a company down here, and they had it in stock that day, and I could put it right in, so I paid a little more for it. Paint, I think for 8 or 9 rattle cans was probably about 60 bucks. Primer, the Kills primer, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 bucks. These DOT stickers are like $1 each, so I think I paid maybe 20 bucks. I got a whole bunch of them. Trackpad was, I think, another $20 for a 60-foot roll. So trailer and all that kind of sitting in, price-wise, I'm sitting at, I think, about $1,100, somewhere around there, $1,100, and that's including the tarp kit that I'm gonna buy for it too. So that's everything put together, I think about $1,200-1,300 of it. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.